Hello friends, welcome to Global Online. Today we are discussing NTA UGC NET 2023 Paper 1. In this class we discuss about environmental protection plans from people development and environment. So start with MCQs, and this video also include short tricks to remember the protection plans and also the key areas that related with. So let's start the first question. The first question, India together with which country has notified the year 2021 as environmental year? So the country that has notified the year 2021 as environmental year together with India. So in this question, you can get the two important things. One is 2021 as the environmental year in India, and then also the other country that related or that notified the 2021 as the environmental year. So the answer is France. So in 2021 year, the India and France together notified the as environmental year. The Union Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Prakash Javadekar, and French Ecological Transition Minister, Barbara Pompili, launched the year 2021 as the Indo-French Environmental Year in New Delhi. Clear. And then next question. Which state conducted Asian Waterfowl Census 2020? That's in 6th January 2021. So here the things Asian Waterfowl Census 2020 conducted in January 6, 2021, and the state which conducted is Andhra Pradesh. So, the Andhra Pradesh is a state that conducted Asian Waterfowl Census, a 2-day census of 2020 in 2021, Jan 6th. So, you can know the ducks. You can know the ducks. So, here the Asian waterfowl, just like ducks, look like ducks, but it is a endangered species. So, Asian waterfowl census is conducted to know about their census and a number. Clear, and conducted by Andhra Pradesh. And before moving to next question, let's look at what Global Online offering for you. So students, for your UGC NET 2023 paper 2 preparation, Global Online offering you notes and most expected MCQs. Both will help your preparation well, and also you can use this for other interviews and exams also. So that's a great opportunity, and also we assure 100% guaranteed selection in this course. And also you can get the notes and MCQs for the courses or the subjects available in the screen. You can get this for 1280, and for this you can contact the given WhatsApp number. These notes and MCQs really boost up your preparation, and also in our app we are providing complete courses for both paper 1 and paper 2, and you can download our app from the description box. And next question, which organization conducted largest ever public opinion poll on climate change? So here the poll, the ever public opinion poll on climate change conducted by which of the organization? So that is the UNDP, United Nations Development Program. The UNDP conducting the largest ever survey on climate change and has questioned 1.2 million people from 50 countries. So that's not any other significance. but the largest ever public opinion poll on climate change conducted by UNDP. That's very important one. So remember that. Clear. And the next one, how long has India set to achieve 20% ethanol blending with petrol? So here, the ethanol blending with petrol is a aim for India, and that's set to achieve a 20 percentage. Okay, so the years that in the options, the 2022 is never come because we passed 2022 and we moved to 2023. So that will not come. And the other option 2029, 2025 and 2039. And the right answer is 2025. So for the ethanol blending, the India set to achieve 20% in ethanol blending with petrol. And what are the important implications related with the ethanol blending? It will reduce the carbon dioxide emission to the environment, and also we can protect the environment with less emission of the seriously damaged hazardous gases to the environment. And also the 30 crore investment or 30 crore amount with the foreign exchange, it can also be reduced. So we can get a clear cut vision that with ethanol blending with petrol, we can achieve more and more advantages related with the environment, and also with the our country's prosperity. So that's ethanol blending 20 percentage, the India goal, that's on 2025. Clear. And the next one, Parliament got from Environmental Protection Act. So here the Environmental Protection Act get from which of the following articles? And the right answer is Article 48 and Article 51 is the important articles related with the environmental protection. Article related with environmental protection. Okay, so the Parliament got the Environmental Protection Act from the 48, Article 48 and Article 51G. Clear. And then, and also we can say that the Environmental Responsibility Article as 41A. Clear. And next question, Forest Conservation Act was enacted in the year. So here the Forest Conservation Act is enacted in 1980. You can get a question from Forest Conservation Act or any other important related acts. So this is one of the important act. You can get a question as match the following in UGC NET exam. So 1980 is the year in which the Forest Conservation Act was enacted. Next one, how many years once the parties in the Vienna Convention meet to take a decision? So here the two important things, one is the Vienna Convention that is related with the ozone layer protection. So the meetup of the Vienna Convention to take important decision related with the ozone layer protection. And the meetup is conducted in every 3 years, or once on every 3 years the parties will meet to take important decision regarding with ozone layer protection. Okay, and then next question related with the main aim of Stockholm Convention on persistent organic compounds. Students, let's look the question first. The main aim of Stockholm Convention on POPs. So the persistent organic compounds as POP. So the POPs in the question is related with the Stockholm Convention, and the options given, the three options related with the POPs. One is to eliminate dangerous POPs. One to increase the usage of dangerous popes, and the other is increase in the production of popes. So the increase the usage of popes and also the increase in the production of popes does not come, because the both will give a negative implication to the convention. So the eliminate the dangerous popes is the right one, and this is the answer. So in some of the question you can get the answer in a logical way. So read the question first, and then you can get logically think in some of the questions, so you can get a clear answer to eliminate dangerous popes. Clear? And next one, Basel Convention is mainly deals with. So these are the convention. So that's for protection of environment. Clear. So the Basel Convention is deals with here the biological diversity. We can get the CBD, Convention on Biological Diversity is related. Persistent organic compounds, that is Stockholm Convention, and ozone depleting weather is there are two convention, Montreal and also Vienna. So the hazardous and waste and their disposal is the one that related with the Basel Convention. Clear. So in some of the question you can get the answer by pointing out the odd one out. Clear. And then the next question with the main aim of UNFCCC, that is United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. So that is established as a international environmental treaty to combat the dangerous human interference with the climate change. So here the climate change or the climate system is pointed out. So that is a part by here to stabilize the greenhouse gas in the concentration of in the atmosphere. So the stabilization of greenhouse gas that related with the UNFCCC. So the main aim of UNFCCC to stabilize of greenhouse gas. You can know the some of the greenhouse gases to stay one or two important greenhouse gases, methane, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, etc. So these gases we need to play in or need to react in the atmosphere to stabilize our temperature, and until that it will cross the limit, it may create hazardous environment problems, so that will be stabilized to avoid that problems. Clear. So the UNFCCC is related with the climate system or climate change, and that is the greenhouse gas stabilization will make the climate system in a regulated or in a proper way. Clear. Okay, then next question related with the, and this is the shortcuts to remember the convention and also the key areas that related with. First one, the RW, that is the renewable energy. You can remember that as renewable energy. And here the R for Ramsar Convention and W for wetlands. So RW, that is the code is renewable energy. Renewable energy. And the renewable energy means the R for Ramsar Convention and W for wetlands. Okay. And the next one, popes. The popes related with the S here. That is the pope is for singular, and you can this for plural as popes. And here the S for Stockholm Convention, and then popes for persistent organic pollutants. So here the popes indicate as persistent organic pollutants that relate to the Stockholm Convention. Clear. So you can simply relate the Pope for Stockholm Convention. Clear. Then next one relate with the sites. So the sites, the full form you can remember, and also you can get a question, the what is full form of CITES, etc. So CITES, Convention on International Trade on Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora. So here the international trade on endangered species of wild fauna and flora, that is the convention related with CITES. Clear? Then the CBD. Here the CBD is the Convention on Biological Diversity. So we can relate CBD for Convention on Biological Diversity. And then BMW. We can know the BMW. For the first, we remember BMW, or the thing you can say, or you can get from BMW is a car, or that's a prosperous and the pride car, BMW. So here the B indicate for Bond Convention, and M indicate for migratory species, and W indicate of wild animals. So here the Bond Convention related with migratory species of wild animals. So BMW, you can that's a code for remembering the Bond Convention with the migratory species of wild animals. Clear? Then WO. So you can WO will indicate the, you can remember a phone, Vivo. So here the V is cancelled here, and you can simply remember WO there. So the O for Vienna Convention, the V for Vienna Convention, O for ozone layer protection. Okay, then the next one related with the MO. So WO and MO is both are related with ozone layer protection. So MO for also, that is the Montreal Protocol. The Montreal Protocol and the Vienna Protocol both are related with ozone layer protection. Then next one, KG. KG, you can get the KGF. Here the KGF is a movie. Clear? So the KGF, you can simply eliminate the F, and KG is a 1. K for here Kyoto Protocol, and G for greenhouse gas. So to reduce the greenhouse gas emission from atmosphere, Kyoto Protocol is formed. Clear? Then UNCCD. Here UNCCD related with the, you can simply relate the UNFCCC and UNCCD. Here the 3C and here the 2C. This is for Convention on Climate Change. Here Convention to Combat. So UN framework for Convention on Climate Change. Here UN Convention to Combat Desertification. Clear? Then RP. RP for R here for Rotterdam Convention, that is related with the pesticides. So RP, you can simply remember R for Rotterdam Convention and P for pesticides. Clear? Then move to the next question. Which convention came into existence for the protection of the marine environment of the Baltic Sea area? So here the protection of Baltic Sea area environment, or the marine environment of the Baltic Sea area for protection, is related with which of the following convention? You can know Vienna Convention related with ozone layer, and Stockholm Convention that related with the popes, and then Helsinki. So these are the two things you are not remembered, or you are not familiarized. So the answer for this question is Helsinki. Helsinki is pronounced as. So Helsinki Convention is related with the protection of Baltic marine environment of the Baltic Sea area. Clear? And it is formed in 1992, and also this is one of the convention related with the marine environment. Clear? So simply you can relate the H for HB. That is a pencil for HB pencil. You can remember the name HB. That is Helsinki Convention for Baltic Sea area. And you can get another one, that is Bucharest Convention. The Bucharest Convention, I don't know how many of you know about the convention. It's the Black Sea, protection of the Black Sea, another one convention related with the sea and against the pollution. This is signed in the Bucharest in April 1992. That's also in 1992. And the basic legal framework for regional cooperation to protect the marine environment. So here the Black Sea is important. Black Sea protection is important there. Clear? Then next question with the migratory species of wild animals, which convention took place. So for the conservation of migratory species of wild animals, which of the following convention took place? Okay, so in earlier slide, the related with the short tricks to remember, I say the BMW. You remember BMW. B for Bond Convention and M for migratory species, migratory, then that is wild animals. So the one of the main convention related with the migratory species of wild animals, that is Bond Convention. Clear? So the other, or you can know the Basel Convention and Rio de Janeiro Convention. So the Bond Convention is the one that related with the migratory species protection and the migratory wild animals protection, and here the Aarhus Convention, and the Aarhus Convention related with the people the right to access information about the environment. Okay, the people's right to get information or to access information about the environment, right to access information about environment. Clear? So it also promotes public participation in decision making and provides access to justice in all environmental matters. Clear? Then next question related with the full form of N mode. So here the N mode is also another convention related with the environment, and the full form here is Environmental Modification Convention. Environmental Modification Convention. Formally the convention on the prohibition of military or any other hostile issue of environmental modification techniques. So this is an environmental treaty that prohibiting the something like the military or any other hostile issues in the environment. So the modification convention, environmental modification convention, that is the full form for NMOD. Clear? Then the next one, how many parties are there in the Nagoya Protocol? So here the Nagoya Protocol, and how many parties or how many countries that relate to the Nagoya Protocol. Clear? So the answer for this is 193. There are 193 parties in Nagoya Protocol and is established for the framework for genetic resources for biotechnology research. So this is related with the genetic resources for biotechnology research. Clear? Then, and there are 193 members in Nagoya Protocol. Next question, that is your homework question. For the Convention of Biological Diversity, that is CBD, which protocol was adopted? So, the Conventional Biological Diversity, the CBD, which protocol was adopted? Kyoto, Montreal, Nagoya, Cartagena. So, the answer you can given in the comment box, and any other queries also you can ask in the comment box. Clear? And the next one, that's a homework question. The what is the number of greenhouse gases as recognized by the Kyoto Protocol? So the Kyoto Protocol, that is for greenhouse gas emission, reduce greenhouse gas emission. We can the shortcut is kg. So the number of greenhouse gases as recognized by Kyoto Protocol is 6. And what are the gases? That is carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, hydrofluorocarbons, perfluorocarbons, sulfur hexafluoride. So these are the 6 important greenhouse gases that is recognized by the Kyoto Protocol. So these 6 gases you can remember. Whenever you can get a question related with the greenhouse gases, you can simply point it out. These are the greenhouse gases. Whether you can get a question like that, which of the following are the greenhouse gases or not greenhouse gases? So simply any other option related with these 6, you can simply point it that is a greenhouse gas or that is not a greenhouse gas. Clear? So that's for the day. We end the session, and you can ask any doubts regarding to this and also give the answer in the comment box. Thank you, and we will meet in next video.